Pliers are one of the most widely used tools on the planet. People use them for everyday maintenance work around the house, as well as countless other things. They are great at getting the job done, but sometimes you might not have pliers to do what you want. In this video, we will talk about the alternatives you can use in this situation. One of the best substitutes for pliers are wrenches. These tools provide you with a similar grip to pliers if you use them correctly, and you can even adjust their size to make the grip tighter or looser. If you have a screw or nut you want to tighten or loosen, you can adjust the size of the wrench to match and grip it. Then use the wrench to tighten or loosen the nut as much as you want into any surface. Another alternative that you can use for a similar purpose are tongs. This is one of the best substitutes for pliers because even if you have no tools at home, you are sure to have tongs in your kitchen. While they are usually used to hold things, you can use them to tighten or loosen things as well, as long as you do it right. Once you have them, use the grip of your tongs to wrap around the screw or nut. Twist the tongs clockwise. You can also move the tongs anti-clockwise to loosen the nut. If you are trying to adjust something smaller in scale, you can also use metal tweezers as they are more suited to that. Pliers are not only used for loosening and tightening things. You can also use them to cut and shape things, such as a wire or a thin rod. That is why the next alternative is wire cutters. These are a similar shape to pliers and can be used for the same purpose when it comes to cutting and shaping materials. Take a thin metal wire for example. Using wire cutters, it is easy to split the wire into multiple pieces with ease. The tool can also be used for shaping the wire and bending it into any direction without breaking it. As you can see, these three substitutes for pliers are all great in their own way. We hope that this video was able to help you find a suitable replacement. Subscribe to Hooked on Tool for more content like this.